Also, if you're into snapping, this is your time to shine. If you've been trying to snap all night, this is your moment.
Well, the moment we meet, you notice the sparks start to fly, turning to heat. Well, it's gonna get cute, you and I. Comes time to leave. On where hours going by, I've done my best to stay out of my own way. Well, it starts with a phone call, started with caution, 3-day wait, certain you'll soon fall. Not gonna leave this up to fate. Picture together, well, all of my problems you erase. Yeah, I don't hear a peep. I guess I'll get some sleep every time I drive into pieces over nothing at the top, with belief that this is something but it's not. I lie awake and I am wasting time lying to my mind. Whoa, lying to my mind. Well, the very next weekend, my call finally gets returned. My will has been weakened. Yeah, you think that by now I'd learn. She says we can be friends, bringing about my concern. Well, I never had control, no. I'm back to feeling low every time I drive into pieces over nothing at the top, with belief that this is something but it's not. I lie awake and I am wasting time lying to my mind. Whoa, lying to my mind. But there is a so fine line built to give way by design, that you walk at your own risk of being left out in the cold, or so I've been told. I guess I haven't been told, no. Ooh, every time I drive into pieces over nothing at the time, with belief that this is something but it's not. Lie awake and I am wasting time here, lying to my mind. Whoa, lying to my mind. Oh, every time I drive into pieces over nothing at the top, we believe that this is something but it's not. I lie awake and I am wasting time lying to my mind. Whoa, lying to my mind. Whoa, lying to my mind. Whoa, lying to my mind. Chris Ayer, everybody.